product, as you can see here. Okay,
Marykay product.
Yeah, it's a marykay product. This is a starter kit. Okay.
Starter kit of skincare.
Yeah, starter kit of skincare. As you can see here, Tom. Let's see what's inside.
There's a bag. Is that a bag?
Yeah, it's a bag.
Yeah. You can put stuff in it, like something like your phone or like something I don't know, or your
something.
wallets
or my skincare product inside.
Oh yeah, you can do that too.
Okay, as you can see here, this is the sugar scrub.
Yeah, sugar scrub.
Okay, come, let's
it's
open.
For your lips.
Yeah, it's for my lip.
I wonder how you use it.
So you have to scrub gently, of course, on your lips. Right?
And what happens if you scrub too hard?
I'm not so sure about that, but
let's not try it.
You have to scrub it gently, then after that you wash it, alright? So scrub, you want to feel the texture of it.
How does it feel?
Sandy. Of course, it's a scrub anyway, right?
Oh, yeah, right.
So, let's see, the other things that we have here is the butter balm. Okay? So
butter balm.
Let's open and try it.
It's used for moisturizing your lips.
Yeah, of course. Bye-bye, dry lip. Okay?
And it feels light, smooth on your lips.
Yeah, it's not that oily, it's nice. Yeah. And I like the taste too.
Huh?
It has taste.
Huh?
Yeah. Feel very smooth.
Okay.
And other things that we have here is the cleanser. As you can see here,
it's a
makeup remover. Sorry, it's a makeup remover.
It's okay. So it's a makeup remover to remove all your makeup.
And then this is the gel mask. Maybe I will apply it before I go to sleep. Okay, before I go to bed, I will apply it. This is a
and that's the clear proof.
Okay, it's a mask too. It's a mask too. Okay, it's a
clear mask? Is it
mask? Charcoal mask. Maybe it will be black mask. I'm not so sure. Maybe we can try it.
I thought it was gonna be clear.
Really? Okay.
Since it says clear proof.
And then, hello, welcome to marykay. Let's check it out. What inside?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Oh, there's few types of cream. As you can see here is an age minimizer. Oh, yeah, this is totally for me. Okay. So look at here. This is the cleanser, day cream, night cream, and also eye cream. Okay.
Okay.
All right. That's it, I guess.
So
I really like it. This is just a starter kit. Can't wait to use all of them. Bye.
Bye.